Welcome to Monoprice. My name is Curtis, and for this video, we'll be covering how to properly apply adhesives to the print bed of your printer. First of all, we'll want to make sure that we're never printing directly to the print bed, as this can cause damage to both the bed and the nozzle. Now, after some time, you'll start to notice imperfections such as indentations on your pre-installed build mat, and it's a good idea to replace the material after you see this. Even the smallest imperfections can lead to inferior quality prints, so it's important to always make sure that your bed is nice and smooth. It's up to you to decide what type of material you would like to use on your print bed. However, we do recommend using blue painter's tape as it's the most cost-effective and it provides excellent adhesion as well. You may also want to have some rubbing alcohol nearby. First, we'll want to make sure that we remove the previous adhesive from the build plate. After removal, there may be some residue left behind on the bed, and to clean this, we will use some rubbing alcohol or acetone. Since the bed is made of aluminum, this should not damage the bed in any way. With our bare print bed clean and smooth, let's go ahead and get ready to apply the new materials. We'll want to take our roll of blue painter's tape and begin to lay it down on one side of the bed, just like so. Of course, we will want to cut the tape so that it covers the entire bed. With the first layer down, we'll move on to the second layer. And the most important thing to pay attention to is to not overlap the previous layer. However, we do not want any gaps in between the tape either. We should be able to rub our finger from one piece of tape to the next and feel a smooth transition. Once we have the entire build plate covered, we will then want to take our hex wrench and poke some holes in the corners of the build plate so that we have access to the screws for the bed calibration. We also do recommend using a light layer of hairspray on the build plate if you're having trouble getting your prints to stick to the bed. However, it's not usually required. Congratulations! You have successfully applied new adhesives to your build plate. We do recommend recalibrating your build plate next to ensure that everything is nice and level, because we may have shifted some stuff around during the process. Be sure to check out our video on calibrating your build plate as well, which can be found at the link below. I'm Curtis with Monoprice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out monoprice.com for 3D printing products, questions, and support. Never print directly to the build plate, as this can cause damage to the After printing for goodness gracious. We do recommend recalibrating, as we may have shifted. I really thought I said it. I'm telling you, shifted makes me